In Taos, New Mexico, residents report a mysterious low-frequency hum, heard by some but not by others. It's not a machine, not a power line, and not in their imagination. The sound is constant, like an engine idling in the distance. But when investigators use microphones and sensors, nothing shows up. The hum has been reported in other places too, but Taos is the most famous. Scientists can't agree on a cause. Is it environmental, psychological, or something else entirely? Some believe it's secret tech, or something far stranger. What if you heard something no one else could? Follow One Tap Secrets for more unexplained mysteries.